Metal etching with DC adapter, baking soda and water. Today I'm gonna make etching on metal, starting with covering the metal blade with electric tape, and with fine blade you're gonna cut your design. In glass or plastic jar you put 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir well. You can use any adapter that gives 12 volts and 1 amp of power. The positive metal clip we attach to the metal blade, and the negative metal clip we attach on long metal bolt. Both of them we put into the jar and plug the adapter into the electricity, and the chemical reaction will start right away. You're gonna leave to work the reaction for about 30 minutes. This method of etching you must do outside or in room with good ventilation. After 30 minutes the result is very good and my knife get my signature. Thanks for watching. For more videos visit my channel page.